Let's crochet the capital letter I. Slip knot, and then we're going to chain 8. From the second chain from the hook, we're going to work single crochet stitches across. So we should have 7 single crochet stitches for the first row. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitch from the first up to the end. So for row number 2, we have 7 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitch across. So for the third row, we should have 7 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, skip the first stitch, and make 2 slip stitches from the second and third stitch. And then we're going to chain 16. After chaining 16 from the second chain from the hook, we're going to be working single crochet stitches. So we should have 15 single crochet stitches for this part. And then we're going to slip stitch at the next unworked stitch. Turn your work and then chain 1, skip the slip stitch, and then work a single crochet stitch in the next stitch all the way to the end. So we should have 15 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, work a single crochet stitch across. So we should have 15 single crochet stitches here. And then we're going to slip stitch in the next unworked space, chain 1, skip the slip stitch, and then slip stitch in the rest of the spaces of the previous row. So we should have 15 slip stitches. And then chain 3 from the second chain from the hook. We're going to work single stitch and then single stitch again, and then work 3 single stitches across this side. 1, 2, and 3, and then work 2 foundation single crochet stitches. Chain 2, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's our first FSC. Insert your hook again, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Here's our second one. Turn your work, chain 1, and then work single crochet stitches across. You should have 7 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitches across, and this should be our last row. So we end up with 7 single crochet stitches again for this last row. And then we're going to fasten this off and snip off the excess yarn. And this is your capital letter I. More details of this pattern can be found in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you again.